All right.
most productive.
All right, so we're gonna jump now to the predicted starting lineup. We just discussed Canada 1, Jamaica 2. We run through basically the games that we played. These are the topics that we have touched on. Let me just see if we can make it clear from here. We have touched on so far Mikel and Tone as the first topic we touch on. We touch on Demari Gray, and we touch on the practical like a preview of the previous game. And then now we're gonna move into the predicted starting lineup. And earlier consensus, Mikel Antonio picked up a 3-month injury. Also, Demari Gray, I think he'll be adding a cutting edge to the team. The review where Jamaica won versus Canada, we didn't turn up. The match of play from Friday, the match never turned up itself. So we play a game on Saturday morning. Reggae Boyz not turn up, Canada turn up, and unfortunately, the fans them not turn up neither. And unfortunately, the Canada team take away with 3 points. We're gonna jump into the predicted starting lineup, and this is something that's a lot of persons heavily interested in, because their idea, or everyone's idea of what the starting lineup should look like, what it should be, will varies some sense in somewhat. No, I for one, I'm not sure if Damian Lowe is okay. Remember last time out, he was ill. So, I'm going to leave him out. Because I'm not sure, I don't put in a team and he's sick and can't play. So, this is where we are at this present moment. So this is the predicted starting lineup, people. This is what I thought or think in my perspective. So tell me what you think, people in the comment section. People in the comment section, tell me what you think about this predicted starting lineup. Antonio said 2 on Jamaica game. Going to PK's crap shoot after that. Can I have faster and more disciplined players? And you don't know Jamaica, them are going to say if Gray hurt, why coach are making play, etc. A football vlogger from Mexico said Jamaica is like a toxic ex-girlfriend who keeps letting you down. How many chances are you going to give her? Canada never turned up. They were playing for a draw. Yeah, true. CJ Wayne said Blake, Lowe, Pinnock, Gregley, Anderson, Johnson, Reed, Gray, Shemar, Bowser, and Bailey. Like your team except for Russell. Don't brother slow. Turn like a Titanic. Alright, so if no John Russell, I would say Keroy Anderson. See me can find out Anderson if we put in it. You go on, people don't mind this the person I migler. The John and me just grab one Anderson, people. So if we put Keroy Anderson here, so this would be you go on. Let me say it first. Let me put back John Russell. This would be my predicted starting lineup. This would be mine. Me soon got to the possible one where the coach I use. The possible one the coach I use, but this is my predicted starting lineup. It seems as if Joel Latte, but you have to be on the field. Alright, so because, listen people, he's a natural right back, centre back. That is natural position. The thing is, he's quite technical. Now, the reason why I have, let me just go through the team. Somebody has to play Hector the CDM role. I remember one time, top every day, people just cause the top a keeper and I play Hector and I hold the midfield position. And now, time has passed, I will see people ask Hector in a CDM position. Yeah, that's the world we live in. Yeah? Alright, so let's go. Andre Blake in goal. Back four. Now go to back four. Joel Lattibody right back. Hector still unsure of Lowe. Think Lowe probably still sick. Gregley at left back. Ethan Pinnock centre back. And Michael Hector. No, I love this centre because we have four defenders who are very, very competent on the ball. So in this aspect, we have a back four that can play the ball out from the back. We have a back four that actually has the technical ability to play the ball out from the back. Now, listen to this now. The reason why I opted to have Jonathan Russell and Daniel Johnson in the double pivot is because they are very good ball handlers. They can receive the ball in space and turn. Well, John Russell is not much of a turner, but John Russell can receive the ball in space and distribute it. Daniel Johnson is right beside him, who can receive the ball in tight spaces, turn, and make a progressive pass. Now, the big question is Bob Reid creative enough to play in the creative midfield position? Or maybe you could put Demarai Gray as the creative player and have Bob Reid on the left-hand side. I think this is ideal because Demarai Gray is a little bit more creative than both Bailey and Bob Reid. So put Demarai Gray in the creative midfield position. Let him link up between Daniel Johnson and John Russell. And he can come back with support when he can. We're not going to leave the defensive discipline on Bailey. I would more trust it on Bobby Reid to come back and come support. And have Boza as a lone striker to try and hold the ball and get Bobby Reid and Leon Bailey included. So that would be my possible starting lineup. Mine. That's mine, people. That is mine. Said flip Bailey and Bobby. No, more Bailey in natural. Now his position when he can cut in on his left foot and go for the top corner. And more Bobby Reid on that side because Bobby Reid can use 2 foot. But I don't want to put Bailey out there, so just go down to the line and swing it in. I don't want to put Bailey out there. RJ said Gray have to play on the left wing. The thing is, no, Gray is a creative player. Gray can play actually anyway across the front line. So that would be mine. Lulu said Bobby have to be on the side where Davis is. No, listen. Davis is gonna be on the right hand side. I trust Greg Lee. like that. And with my 2 eyes, Davis never really caused us any problem. If you don't watch it on TV and you see it different, yeah, I understand. But Davis grab the ball 1 and 2 times and dribble inside and then he pass the ball. It never necessarily not cause you any problem. Man said, here, Greg Lee. Man said, no, man, Greg Lee is actually a good fullback, man. Very aggressive. Very, very aggressive, man. You think Joel can handle Davis? Joel is actually a natural right back. Right back, centre back. He's not a CDM. He's not a CDM. I think in the right back position, this is his preferred position. Very, very good tackler. High work rate in his position. That's his position. But I don't think Davis I got the on the left hand side. Davis I got the where me see him play, he did a play. Sometimes he play on the right, sometimes he play on the left. I think he started on the left. He started on the left. I think he started on the left. He started on the left. So he might go down to he might go down to sitting there. He might go down to Joel. The coach will not use Joel at right back cornflakes, man. Then. Bro, he plays like he don't know what he's doing. He work hard, man. Onion said, goodness, Bailey injured. Alright, remember, there's an article came out that Leon Bailey was playing with an injury in the game versus Canada. So, my hope is that he'll be fully fit. My hope is that he'll be fully fit. We see him in training, but not being in training don't necessarily mean that he's 100% fit. So there's a bit of concern right there. Armani said left mid him start. Okido, big up self Okido. Boy, we wish we didn't have another big right back. It's great 45 minutes player. Greg is a 45 minutes player. Give him a full match. He's a weakness in our defense. Why the coach never get taxi and leave out Demario Phillips? No man, Gray played the full 100 full 90 man. The player who come off I think was Lemby Kisa came off. Gray's a full 90 minutes player, man. And me never see Grady look alright to me. He never struggled in any way. A lot of here now. The right back position was Lemby Kisa. Lemby Kisa was actually, he did well, he did fairly well. He did fairly well. Listen, this is great. This is Greg Lee statistics. He committed 2 fouls. He was dribbled past once. He made 4 clearance, 1 interception. Tackles won 100%. Ground duels, he won 1 out of 4. Aerial duels, he won 2 out of 3. 74 pass completion, long pass 14%. Crosses complete 50%. He had 50 touches and was fouled once. Let me see Lemby Kisa now. Lemby Kisa, fouls made 0. Possession lost 0. 0 pass 0. 2 clearances, total shot 0, offside 0. Pass completed 67%. Long pass 50%. Dribbles completed 100%. 35 touches. So Greg Lee actually had a lot more touches than Lemby Kisa. I think we're trying to play out from the back. That's it. Yeah, but at least we can make the change there. We can make the change there. If him slow down after 60 minutes, we can do the do right there, so, and make the change. Alright, so let me go now to what I'm gonna do now, people. I'm gonna go to 4-4-2, where I think this is what the coach is gonna go with. Let's go. I think this is what. I think he's still gonna go with Bernard. Brother Bernard. So it's gonna be Greg Lee, Ethan Pinnock, Brother Bernard, and Dexter Lemby Kisa. Liam Bailey on the right, Lottie Buddy in the midfield, Daniel Johnson, DeMar Gray on the left. And maybe Mario. Romario Williams as the second striker. Right behind Bowser. So this possible could be it. Man said Leon and Nicholas are going to start up at top. This is what I think. This is what I think would be Al Gibson's lineup. Yes, but from what I've seen from the coach, he loves to have 2 mountain or light posts up top to lead the line. He likes the big, powerful forwards to lead the line. Somebody said, nah, leave out Bobby. I think Bobby was the only person who I'm in a second guess. I think him always play Bobby Reed. So if that is the case, this is how the team would have set up then. The question is creativity. Where is that going to come from? That's where DeMar Gray come in play. Maybe DeMar Gray goes float across here. But guess what? Problem now we can't lift down as expose. But Greg Lee, because this is exactly where we can see the first goal right here. All because I think it was. I remember who would have played on the left hand side. Inside here, so when the player break down, Daniel Johnson try get back. Greg Lee way up here so try get back. And I think it was Maro. It was a collateral of issues. Be a shambles winner. Be a shambles. Be a shambles winner when we can see the goal. Let me tell people, I never see so much chaos. People, the second goal we concede. A long time me not see so much chaos. Be a shambles. Everybody try broke their neck to get back. Why me I tell you? Okida Johnson said, and Lati should not play midfield. Coach till now alert. Me go see no. Me go see him all play.